Hello everybody, now I am conducting class 1 EVS class. Again I am repeating, now I am conducting now class 1 EVS class. Everybody open page number 7070 chapter 14. Page 70 chapter 14, plants around us. Okay, so listen to me very carefully. We see many kinds of plants in a garden. Plants are fixed to the ground, yes. If you look around, you will find plants growing everywhere, on land and in water. Some parts of plant grow above the ground. Other parts grow under the ground. Most plants start their life as a seed. Yes, from the seed, plants start their life. A seed needs air, water, warmth from sunlight, etc. So to grow into a new plant. Look at the picture, point out and read the names of different parts of the plant: root, stem, branch, leaf, flower and fruit. Okay, you see there is a picture, parts of plant. Everybody practice that parts of plant because these can I give in the examination. Okay, so practice the drawing. Types of plants: big and tall plants with thick and strong stem are called trees. Big plants are known as trees. Some of these like peepal tree, ashok tree, neem tree, banyan tree. Some plants are much smaller than trees. They have a woody stem. They are called shrubs, bushes. Some of these are rose plants, cotton plants, lemon plant, hibiscus plants. These plants is known as shrubs. Okay, like rose, cotton, lemon and hibiscus. Hibiscus means the we can see at home near that there is a hibiscus plant. So hibiscus plants is very important. We almost all of we have in our house. Some plants are very small. They have very soft stem. They are called herbs. Okay, herbs have soft stem. Some of these are coriander like dhone, we all know, mint like pudina, and grass. These are very soft. Some plants have weak stems. They need help to stand straight. These plants are known as climbers. Grapevines, bean plants are some of the climbers. Even we all are eating pumpkin. Pumpkin is that kind of plants. Okay, pumpkin is pumpkin has this is a very soft kind of tree. Okay, like the climbers. Some plants with weak stems grow along the ground. Pumpkin is creeper, not climber. Sorry, I said wrong. Pumpkin is creeper. For example, pumpkin plants, and climber is like bean plants. Yes, all the bean plants, grapevine, if you will go with grapevines, you can see the climbers. Okay. Some plants also grow in and on water, like lotuses and water lilies are example of water plants. Okay. So now uses of plants. Come to the next page. Page 72. Uses of the plants. How can we use the plants? Plants are useful to us in many ways. Yes. We eat the leaves of the plant such as spinach, mint and coriander. We also eat the fruits of plants such as bananas, mangoes and apples. Vegetables like potatoes, carrots, pumpkins, etc. also come from the plants. And next is we also eat seeds of plants such as rice, wheat and beans. Plants such as neem, tulsi and aloe gives us medicine. Okay, from aloe vera we can see many kinds of skin diseases, skin medicines we can get. These help us when we get hurt or fall ill. Plants gives us wood for making our tables, chairs and cotton for our making clothes. They also give us gum and paper. Plants gives us shade, keep air clean. They also give food, shelter and shade to the birds and animals. So can you imagine a single plant can give so many kinds of things, and that is the most important thing for all of us. So we can see the plants are really very important for all of us, and I will send the fill in the blanks and the question answers also. So class, by the next class you will, before the next class you will get everything and start to learn this topic. And this is a very important topic, so learn it carefully, especially the drawing. Repeatedly I am telling, children will practice page number 70, the parts of plant, this drawing. Okay, everybody practice this. Okay, so bye bye children, be healthy and happy. Now it's too cold, so take care of your health. Okay, bye bye.